You see this DWL file appear whenever you open an AutoCAD drawing. It's a lock file that prevents other people from editing the drawing at the same time. Ignore it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain why it's there. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized DWL tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. A DWL file is an AutoCAD lock file created automatically when a DWG is opened. It stores user information to prevent multiple users from simultaneously editing the same file and causing data corruption. These small temporary files reside in the same directory as the drawing and are deleted once the drawing file is closed properly. DWL files are small temporary files that reside in the same directory as the associated .dwg file. They are automatically deleted when the .dwg file is closed properly. If AutoCAD crashes or is improperly closed, the DWL file may remain, indicating that the DWG file was not closed correctly. These files are essential for collaborative workflows. The most common market-leading program for DWL is AutoCAD from Autodesk. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows may show the file type, but the actual data must be opened in the supporting software. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your DWL file and choose Open With. If AutoCAD is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the DWL file opens. If the DWL file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, recognize the file type. Understand that a DWL file is a temporary lock file created by AutoCAD and is not meant to be opened manually. Next, close AutoCAD. Ensure all associated AutoCAD drawings are closed. Finally, delete the file. If the file persists, safely delete the DWL file to remove the stale lock. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your DWL file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn DWL formats. This is the moment to stop struggling with standard software limitations on your DWL file. Your professional solution is FileMagic, a universal viewer that ignores standard restrictions. You can find it at filemagic.com. Subscribe now to ensure you get the notification for the next file solution I upload. That's a wrap on this guide.